Welcome to NextTechLab. Today, we're exploring the brand new Honor 300 Pro, a device that combines cutting-edge design, powerful performance, and incredible features. Whether you're into mobile photography, gaming, or simply want a phone that stands out, this flagship has something for everyone. Let's dive into every detail. The Honor 300 Pro is crafted to impress with its sleek and durable design. It measures 163.8 by 75.3 by 8.2 millimeters, weighs around 199 grams, and features IP65 water and dust resistance, making it not just stylish but also reliable. On the front, it boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED curved display with FHD Plus resolution, 1224 by 2700 pixels. Its 120 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth visuals, while the 4000 nits peak brightness makes it incredibly vibrant even in direct sunlight. The almost bezel-less design with a dual punch-hole camera setup gives the phone a futuristic and premium look. This device is a performance powerhouse, featuring the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with Adreno 750 GPU, designed for seamless multitasking and gaming. It comes with multiple configurations: 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage, and 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or handling multiple apps, the Honor 300 Pro delivers smooth performance. And yes, the UFS storage ensures blazing fast data speeds, but keep in mind, storage is non-expandable. The camera system on the Honor 300 Pro is built for all photography enthusiasts. On the back, you'll find a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 primary sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom and OIS, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing landscapes or group shots. For selfies, the front features a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens and a 2-megapixel depth sensor for beautiful portraits. Plus, it supports 4K video recording, so content creators will love the video quality. Night photography and HDR are equally impressive, thanks to advanced image processing. Battery life is another strong point. The 5300 mAh battery supports 100W wired fast charging, which takes you from 0 to 59% in just 15 minutes. It also offers 80W wireless charging and reverse charging, both wired and wireless. This ensures you'll always have power, even when on the go. The phone runs Android 15 with Magic OS 9.0, delivering a clean and intuitive user experience. Advanced features like Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC ensure top-notch connectivity. Security is handled by an under-display fingerprint scanner and face recognition. The Honor 300 Pro starts at around $466, making it a strong contender in the flagship market. With its premium design, top-tier performance, and versatile cameras, it's a great choice for anyone looking for a feature-packed smartphone. What do you think about the Honor 300 Pro? Is it worth the price? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NextTechLab for more detailed tech reviews. See you in the next video.